AI is getting better every day. It's faster, it's smarter, and more efficient. And you might be wondering, what role is left for us? The answer is everything that matters. Let me be clear. AI is not here to replace project managers, but the project managers who has evergreen skills and also leverage AI replace the other project managers. Evergreen skills are the skills that will never lose their value. So ensure you have them all. Welcome to IF Global Management Training to help you grow your skills, advance your profession. Whether you are preparing for your PMP exam or leading your next big project, you are in the right place. If you're new here, I'm Farhia Egal, a project management trainer, consultant, and coach. In this video, I will walk you through 5 evergreen skills that will never lose their value, and AI cannot replace them. We will also examine what makes them each unique, why AI cannot replace them, and how to incorporate AI technology in order to increase your expertise. Let's start with our first skill, leadership. So what's leadership? Leadership is the ability to influence, guide, and align people toward common objectives. Leader, lead with purpose, speak with honesty, and earn teams' trust through consistent actions. So even though AI technology is advancing rapidly, enhancing your leadership skills is what truly sets you apart and makes you indispensable. AI cannot lead people, it cannot inspire action, and it cannot create trust. So that's exactly why this skill is essential and cannot be replaced by AI. All right, now that we understand AI cannot replace leadership skills, let's go through the power of AI when it comes to managing the technical side of the project work. AI can generate, schedule, it can assign resources, monitor progress in real time. It can forecast a delay before they even happen. It can analyze data and provide you what to do the next step. So AI is excellent tool to automate routine tasks that makes your project team more consistent. But here's the good news. The project team managers should not compete with AI. They should partner with it. They should be using AI to handle the automation, reporting, and tracking the project so they can focus on leading their team and solving problems. Now that we understand the leadership skills and how they are important, let's explore another powerful skill, emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotion while also recognizing the emotion of others. It's about self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and relationship management. This means recognizing how others feel and deciding how to respond. Now, let's take a look at what AI can do here. So you can benefit the both human ability and AI capability. AI can monitor the tone of an email. It can track work hours to predict team burnout. And it can also recommend team capability adjustment. So because of those reasons, AI can alert you when your team is overwhelmed by analyzing the overtime hours, missed deadlines, and dropped productivity. Then when you get those alerts, you can step in by adjusting the workload, track issues, and provide the support your team needs. Now let's understand effective communication and managing stakeholder expectation. Communication is about making sure right people get right information at the right time and in the right way. But the stakeholder management is about knowing who really matter to your project, why they're important, and how to keep them engaged, informed, and aligned with the project goals. You might be wondering, why shouldn't AI handle the communication and the stakeholder engagement? AI doesn't handle everything your project needs, especially when it comes to communication. AI cannot read the room during the tense conversation or will not be able to negotiate frustrated client. It cannot also build trust through transparency. And certainly, it cannot repair relationship when things go wrong because communication is deeply human experience. It depends on connection, timing, listening, and empathy. While stakeholder management is about building relationship with the people who cares about your project. So these skills cannot be replaced by AI. But here's the exciting part. By combining human skills with the AI technology, you become a project manager that every industry is looking for. Because in this case, you can let AI take care of the repetitive tasks like flagging communication issue, sending notification, and scheduling updates. Then you will be able to focus building trust and influencing your team and stakeholders through a real connection. Now, let's move forward and explore creativity and strategic thinking. Creativity and strategic thinking are two skills that are absolutely essential to every project manager. Creativity means being able to think beyond the obvious. It's coming up with new ideas, challenging assumptions, and finding solution when the actual one does not work. On the other hand, strategic thinking is about seeing how today's choice affects tomorrow. It is connecting the dots between your project work and the vision of your organization. Let me tell you why these skills are irreplaceable by AI. AI cannot imagine something that is totally new. This kind of forward thinking comes only from human minds. So, as a project manager, your creativity and strategic thinking are what keeps your project innovate and align with the long-term goals. And AI simply cannot replace that. Finally, we come to ethical judgment and decision making skills. Ethical judgment is the ability to evaluate right from the wrong. It involves considering the consequences of your choice, recognizing the value at stake, and making a decision that protects the people and the project. This skill is absolutely crucial to the success of your project and the reputation of your organization. While AI can process vast amount of data and generate recommendations, it lacks a deep understanding of fairness, morality, and also cannot grasp the human cost behind the decision. So that's why ethical judgment remains essential and irreplaceable skills for project managers. Before we wrap up this video, let's recap the human ability that enables project managers to stay important. The first one is leadership skills, and the second one, emotional intelligence. The third one is effective communication and stakeholder management. And the number fourth one is creativity and strategic thinking. And the last but not least is ethical judgment. Without those skills, another project manager who has AI capability can replace you. So remember, future of the project management depends on both human skills and AI capability. So embrace AI tools to boost your expertise. Now, my question to you is, what AI tools do you use? Did you learn anything from this video? And thanks for watching. I'm Farhia Egan, and I will see you in next video.